We only have a minute left! WBAP, KSCS, other stations. KTVT.
By the power of the Son. In fact, Revelation 16 is that passage. Revelation 16 verse 7 says, I heard another from the altar saying, even so, Lord God Almighty, so righteous are your judgments.
There it goes! There it goes! Woo!
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Oh, we got it! New scroll 2! Woo! New scroll! Tell your doctor, no, I'm gonna tell your doctor. This is only a test. You know what, I'm gonna skip this. I'm going on this one instead. Nope, that one didn't work, so... Tell your doctor. I'm not gonna tell your doctor! Up! There goes another station! Nope.
These high-performance cosmetics are deeper you get. It's getting the double digits, but we're about as close to the central mark as you can get without
Let's go KGO! KLML's not on. There goes now.
What happened is the chief of police discussed several things that he said could put the city in danger, and he explained why he thinks a citywide power outage to
Up there goes another one!
for up to this week could put that city at risk.
That's KDRV! And KTMV is not activated yet. Looks like KTBS is not activated. Come on, KRO. Well, that's about it for the other stations.